The people who are most likely to purchase from you are people who have already purchased from you. So that's why using stuff like a one-click upsell is such a smart move. It gives you an opportunity to add even more value and make another transaction with someone who's already transacting with you. The way this works on Kajabi is they're in your checkout page, they buy something from you, and they hit purchase. And then the very next screen that they see actually tells them, hey, you can purchase this next thing right now for X amount. And this is where like their credit card is already in there. They've already purchased. The transaction is still kind of live and they can either hit no thanks, I'm not interested, or yes, purchase. This is a golden opportunity to sell something at a discount or at full price and get a massive amount of conversions on it. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to set all that up inside Kajabi. This is day 24 of your first 30 days on Kajabi, where I've been walking you through how to get the best start on the platform and hit the ground running. If you're just joining me, be sure to get started on Kajabi using my link. You get a 30-day free trial plus all 3 of these bonuses that are all amazing: a free course, a free masterclass, and a launch template. All of that is yours to say thank you for using my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So we are here in my sales page. I've been showing you this. This is a course that I did over at Preaching Donkey. Yesterday, I showed you order bumps. Today, I'm going to show you upsell. So to go to upsell, you click here, create an after purchase flow. An upsell is an additional offer that customers can also purchase after buying one of your other offers. A downsell gives you another chance to make a sale if a customer declines the initial upsell. Your downsell can offer a discount on the same product or a different product. So, you know, they purchase your course and you have an opportunity to say, hey, do you want this other thing? And that's called an upsell. A downsell is when you say, okay, you didn't want that. Do you want this other thing that costs less, or maybe this initial thing that you declined, maybe at a discount? I do not recommend doing the, do you want this thing you just declined at a discount? I think that violates a little bit of trust. I don't feel super strongly on this. I could be convinced otherwise, but typically, like if I am on like an app and they're like, hey, you know, buy a year of the app, it's only $12.99 for the year or something, and I hit decline and they're like, oh, it's only $6.99, just you have to buy right now. It gets me thinking, like, if I just wait long enough, then I'll eventually get a discount. You don't really want people thinking that about your brand. You want to be a premium brand, not a discount brand. That's not to say that you can't ever discount, but you want to do that strategically and not just because, like, oh, you didn't buy, like, let me ask you this way. I wouldn't do that. Instead, I would say, okay, you didn't want this, you didn't want my flagship course, maybe you would prefer to have my mini course. That's a perfectly legitimate way to do it. So what you do here, you can see that I have an upsell offer that is currently inactive, but like if I want to add an upsell, I can go here, I can select an offer. So let's just say that I want to add in my advanced coaching community, annual subscription, upsell title, add advanced coaching, oh gosh. Advanced coaching community description. I'd put in my awesome community. I mean, I'm going to obviously add to this. It's going to be like, you know, in this community, you're going to be with, you know, other people to help learn and grow. I'm going to add an image or a video. The really cool thing here is I can have a video that starts playing right away where I say, hey, thank you so much for purchasing XYZ course. So glad that you're in. I want to invite you to join my community, right? So it kind of gives that initial, like, you know, and then you can have make additional purchase. This is what the button's going to say, or no thanks, take me to my purchase. So I might say, instead of make additional purchase, I might say something like, yes, yes, purchase community, you know, subscription, something like that. Gosh, subscription. Okay, no cancel button. So add upsell. It's going to be really, really basic product right here. So if I were to go and check out what this looks like, if I were to preview, here is what it would look like. So not a whole lot in there right now because I didn't put a whole lot in it, but they see it. There would be a video here. Yes, purchase community subscription. So I would say as soon as you have more than one product, obviously add an order bump. As soon as you have 3 products, have your main offering, your order bump, and an upsell, you can massively accelerate the amount of money you're making and add even more value to your customers. And if you want to know how all the pieces of your business fit together to make your first $1,000 per month, go to lanesebring.com/workshop. This is my Turn What You Know into Dough workshop, where I'm going to show you how to make that first $1,000 per month in your spare time in passive income. This is a free on-demand workshop. You can watch it today. lanesebring.com/workshop. I'll see you tomorrow for day 25.